Okay, here we go. Everything wrong with this Copart 07 Astra estate. This was obviously hanging off in the photos. This seems to be the only real damage. It's split across here and down here. There's a dent here from, looks like a previous accident, because this wing has got a scrape that someone's put some touch-up paint in. This wing, as we could see from the photos, is toast. Big dent. This wing bracket was slightly tweaked, but it doesn't look too bad. And I've already bent it back. It looks very similar to on the other side now. Oh, and I forgot to say, this fog light's completely missing. It looked like it was there on the Copart pictures. I'm not quite sure what happened, but there was a few broke up bits of plastic left from the mounting. That's something else I'm going to have to get. The headlights looked okay on the photo, look okay from here. Unfortunately, the back's disintegrated. And the other one, I suspect this was from the previous damage, but I've got a hole going out the bottom of it. Back on that one was fine. The grill I've already repaired. This was broken off. Plastic welded it and epoxied it on the back. It's now nice and solid. In terms of the engine, it sounds really nice, but as you can see, classic GM Vauxhall, the cam cover is leaking really badly. I've already bought a new one of those for like £6. Oil is slightly over full, and as you can see, pretty nasty and old. Same with the transmission fluid. Doesn't smell burnt, but it's not very pink. It's pretty damn nasty. I'm going to replace all of that with a vacuum pump I've got.